Welcome. Now we are going to study about surface area of a cuboid. This is a cuboid. You know cuboid. It has 6 faces. So formula of cuboid is the total surface area. If we are finding the total surface area of a cuboid, we can write the surface area of a cuboid of, or we can write any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Now here you can see the diagram of cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces and each face you can see it is a rectangle, and opposite, that is front and back, they will be having the same area. Left and right hand side they will be having the same area, and up and down they will be having the same area. So total cuboid has 6 faces and each face of a rectangle is having a same area. So we can write the formula of surface area of a, that means total surface area of a cuboid, So means if you see front, back, left, right, up and down, so they are all 2 in. So we can write that is equal to, twice we can take common, that is length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the formula. So we can write in short form LB plus B into H plus H into L. Without sign means multiplication. So this is the area, surface area, total surface area of a cuboid. That is twice length, then length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Now we will see the surface area of a cube. If you see cube, they are having all the shapes square in shape, and their total cube has 6 faces. So all the sides are of all the surface, means total surface area we can write surface area of the cube is equal to sum of areas of 6 squares. Total we will get 6 squares. So we can, we know the formula of square area of square, that is 6 into side square, and here we will take the all side, the lengths are same, so we can write 6 into L square. This is our formula for cube. Now let us solve the practice set 47. So first it is given question 1, find the total surface area of cubes having the following side. First one, it is given 3 centimeter. That is what side given, side of a cube. So we will find out the total surface area. So we can write, therefore total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square. Okay. So here 6 into side, it is given 3 centimeters. So into 3. So square. So 6 into 3 3s are 9. So 6 9s are, it is 54 square centimeter, because this area, so unit will be square centimeter. Now next we will see second one, it is given 5 centimeter, that is side of a cube. So therefore total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square, that is 6 into L is given 5 square. So 6 into 5 5 is 25. So 25 into 6, it is 150 square centimeter. This is our answer. Third one, it is given. It is given 7.2 meter. That means that is side of a cube. So therefore, total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square, that is 6 into 7.2 whole square, that is 6 multiplied with 7.2, square of 7.2 we will get 51.84. So after multiplying we will get 311.04 square meter. It is given 7.2 meter. So square meter. This is our answer. We will solve now fourth one. Fourth one, the fourth it is given value 6.8. So fourth one 6.8 meter, that is side of a cube. So therefore total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square, that is 6 into 6.8 whole square, that is 6 into 6.8 square we will get 46.24. Again when we are multiplying 46.24 into 6, we are getting 277.44 square meter. This is our answer. Now next it is given fifth one, 5.5 meter it is given. So it is side of a cube. So therefore total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square, that is 6 into L, it is given 5.5 square. So 5.5, and see here orally also we can find out square of rough work I am showing. See, it is given 5.5. So we know next to the 5 is 6. So 5 6 are 30 and square of 25 is 25 and decimal it will be 2 after 2 digits. So 30.25. So we got 30.25. When unit place 5 is there, it is quickly we can write down. Okay. So now 30.25 multiplied with 6 we will get 181.50 square meter. That can be written as 181.5 because after decimal the digit is 5 and after 5 the 0 is there. So we can omit 0. So it is 181.5 square meter. This is our answer. Now we will see the next question. Question number 2, it is given, find the total surface area of the cuboids of length, breadth and height as given below. So here it is given 12, first one 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So length is equal to 12 centimeter, breadth is given 10 centimeter and height it is given 5 centimeter. Therefore we can write total surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice formula length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So we can write 2 into length 12 into 10 plus then breadth into height, that is 10 into 5 plus next it is given height is 5 and again length is 12. So we can write 12 tens are 120, 10 fives are 50 and 12 fives are 60. So 120, 50 plus 60 we will add. So we will get answer 2 into 120, 6, that is 110. So it is answer is 230. So 230 into 2 it is 460. And unit we have to write square centimeter. This is our answer. Now second one given 5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter and 1.4 centimeter. So length, breadth and height is given. So we can write length is 5 centimeter. So length 5 centimeter, breadth 3.5 centimeter and height 5 and height is 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. That is 2 into length. It is given 5 into 3.5 plus 3.5 into 1.4 plus 1.4 into height it is given 5. So we can write 3.5 in, that is 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Okay, it is 17.5. 5 5s are 20. Okay, 17.5 plus 5 5s are, so 4.90 will get plus and 14 sevens are 70, so it is 7.0. So 17.5 plus 4.90 plus 7.0. So 2 multiplied with, after adding we will get 29.4. So 29.4 after multiplication 58.8 square centimeter. So this is our answer, 58.8 square centimeter. Let us see the third one. Third one, it is given 2.5 meter, 2 meter and 2.4 meter. So length is given 2.5 meter, breadth 2 meter and height is equal to 2.4 meter. So therefore we can write, therefore total surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. That is 2 length into breadth 2.5 into 2 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 2.4 into 2.5. we know 25 to the 50, so it is 5.0 plus, that is 24 into 2, that is 48, so 4.8, 1 decimal, plus 2.4 into 2.5, we do the multiplication, you will get 6.0. So now 2 into, we will get after addition 15.8. So 15.8 into 2, that is 31.6 square meter. This is our answer. Now we will see the fourth one. Fourth one, it is given 8 meter, 5 meter and 3.5 meter. So here length is given 8 meter, breadth 5 meter, height is equal to 3.5 meter. Therefore, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. That is twice length is here 8 into 5 plus 5 into 3.5 plus 3.5 into 8. Okay, so 8 5s are 40, then 3.5 into 5, 17.5 plus 3.5 into 8, we will get 28.0. Okay, so do the addition, 2 multiplied with 40 plus 17.5 plus, so you need that is 85.5. So after multiplication we will get 171.0, that is 171 square meter. Unit is meter, so 171 square meter. Here we have finished question number 2. Now we will see question number 3. A matchbox is 4 cm long, 2.5 cm broad and 1.5 cm in height. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with the craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? So it is going to be covered, matchbox is to be fully covered with the craft paper, means we have to find out total surface area of a matchbox. So total surface area of a matchbox is what? Cuboid. So we can write matchbox is cuboid. Okay, so length is given 4 centimeter, we will take as length. Breadth is given 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter breadth, and height is given 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, that is height. So total surface area, therefore total surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So that is length is 4 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 4. So we can write 25 4s are 100. So decimal will be 1 digit here, after this so 1 digit plus. We will do the multiplication of 2.5 into 1.5. We will get 3.75 plus, and we know 15 4s are 60, so 6.0. So 2 into, now we will do the addition. So it is 19.75. So when we are doing the multiplication, we will get 39.50. So after the digit decimal 0 is there, after the decimal digit 0 is there, so we can write 39.5 square centimeter. So what is asked, how much paper will be required? So we can write that 39.5 square centimeter paper will be required. So this is our final answer. So now we will solve the question number 4. An open box of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1 meter, height 1 meter is to be made for use on a trolley for carrying garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to make this box? The inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with the rust-proof paint at a rate of 150 rupees per means 1 square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? So first of all, the box is of open type. Open type means there is no lid. Okay. So if you see the matchbox side, inside that matchbox where matchsticks are kept, like that you can remember. Means no cover is there. So first of all, we will find out the total surface area of a cuboid. So we know the total surface area of a cuboid. Here first we can write length is given 1.5 meter, breadth is given 1 meter, and height also given 1 meter. Okay. So trolley cover is not there. So we can write total surface area of a cuboid. We know total surface area of a cuboid is equal to twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. That means twice length into breadth plus twice breadth into height plus twice height into length. Okay. But since the box is open, means it has no lid. Okay, open means it has no lid. So then if you will see that is upper part, that is twice length into breadth, we can write only once because cover is not there. So here it will become length into breadth plus twice breadth into height plus twice height into length. This will, because formula we know that the surface area of a cuboid, it is twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. And when we are means multiplying, we are getting twice because there are total 6 faces, but each rectangle is having the same area. So here lid is not there, but down part the area we can, because it should be carried the waste. So here it is open. So here instead of twice length into breadth, we can write only once. Okay, now we can put the values and calculate. So we can write length into breadth, that is 1.5 into 1 plus twice length is given 1 and height is also given 1. Then twice height is given 1 and length it is given. Here height is 1 meter. By mistake I made. Length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1 meter. So here 1.5 into 1, that is length into breadth, then breadth twice breadth is 1, height is 1, and here twice, height is 1 and length it is 1.5. So we will solve here. So 1.5 into 1.5 plus 2 into 1 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1.5, we will get 3.0. So after addition, we will get 3, 4, 5, 6.5. 6.5 square meter because it is area. So 6.5 area. So we got the surface area of a trolley is equal to 6.5 square meter. Now we will find out the cost of painting. Now let us find the cost of painting. See, it is asked, we found the required means area. We found the inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust proof paint at a rate of 150 rupees per square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? So let us find the cost of painting from outside and inside. So that means what? Total area, we got it, total area of trolley total surface area of trolley multiplied with inside plus outside into rate. Okay, so total area inside and outside we can write 6.5 plus 6.5 means outside area is 6.5 and inside area is also 6.5 into it is given 150 rupees per. So total into this we will get the form answer. So we will solve on the next page now. So 6.5 plus 6.5 we will get 13.0 into 150. So it is 13 into 150. So let us do the multiplication. So we will get rupees 1950. So we can write metal sheet required for trolley is equal to 6.5 square meter and cost of painting trolley from outside and inside is equal to rupees 1950. So this is our answer. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.